That's all rain. You're fine. Stop joking.
Whoa.
That was big. Let's back up a little. That's all rain and it's drizzling. You can tell. It's not as windy as it looks.
Back away from the edge. Did you guys see anything crazy out here?
Me?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
If you're scared, go inside, Bug.
I've seen a few like plastic bags and a few like.
Yeah, I'm talking about the thunderstorm, honey.
Oh no.
Ooh, you can hear it. The beach cleared out real quick.
My camera's been going for 6 minutes.
Yeah, nobody's out there. All people are eating.
Whoa, whoa! Look at the.
Woo!
Mom, look at the top of that thing.
Oh yeah, it's definitely pouring out there. Oh look, he's carrying my favorite stuff. Ice. Woo!
Too bad my camera doesn't do noise.
Oh.
This is scary.
Can you get your hands in?
I can't feel the wind, but I can see it. Oh yeah, I can see it. Yeah, I'm on the other side. I'm on the other side. Look at deep. That's actually pretty close, Mom.
Yeah, it's getting crazier.
And that's a lot of rain. Can't even see those boats.
Come on, give me another good one. It's very windy. These trees.
Oh, I can feel the rain. I can't feel anything. You can see it.
Whoa, that was it.
Oh.
It's so cloudy though, you can't see like the stripes, so you can just see the bright lights.
And then the That's pretty close rain. Isn't it?
There's the thunder. Tuesday is when the storm's gonna hit. It's gonna be crazy out here.
Yeah, they can hear this.
Whoa, it won't stop rumbling.
Oh my God. That's like a right there.
You can't even see the horizon out there.
It looks far, but it's actually that's just
Woo!
oh God, come inside, get inside.
Yeah, you can't even see
There's boats
past this little bit of ocean. I know. I wonder what it's like on the ocean having a thunderstorm out there. Like you can't even see where the water.
Starts.
And yeah, it looks pretty crazy.
That's very close. We should have this. It's not even really.
Get off the edge, please. Ooh, yeah. Oh, it's pouring now.
You can't hear it, but
You can't see it, but we can hear it.
Oh yeah, look at the light down there.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh, geez. Yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah, you can
It's pouring now.
Everyone's just hiding under there.
Yeah, nobody's on the beach at all. There's a couple of people are eating. It's pouring now. But look, on the horizon, you can't even tell the difference between the sky and the ocean. Whoa!
That came from up there.
I hope as it moves across, you see more lightning. Like, you can't see lightning strikes. It's just like the sky's just lighting up. Thank you.
That was just. Oh, it's pouring. Yeah, you can feel it. That's all.
Get off of the metal flower because it's lightning. You want to get struck by lightning?
TV, Dad.
No. Don't touch the metal on it.
What does it mean? Oh, yeah, it's pouring. No one's leaving under there.
I wouldn't either. Oh, you can feel it in here now. Whoa.
Look at the light.
Hey, guys, one back up, please. Thanks.
Look at that light in the pool. No, no, no. No.
Jeez, the lights are flashing down there.
You should go to. You guys shouldn't have your phones plugged in because that.
Lucky for us, we have charged blocks. We don't need the plug. Whoa.
Look, put your phone over there. It's coming from there. Say that word. What's that?
Say that again. What was that? Ooh.
Oh yeah, the sun's moving that way pretty quick. But I'm the only turning lights.
That light is just really funny.
Now it's slowing down, of course.
Come on, it was just getting good.
Just slowing down.
Now it's just coming from this way. I can't wait until Tuesday on my birthday to see a crazy storm. The tropical storm is coming.
I don't know.
And then the second one that's coming at the middle end of the week. It was just getting good and now it's slowing down. But on Tuesday, like I was just saying, on my birthday, it's supposed to be hit with the tropical storm. No going on excursions for me, but that's okay. I'd rather sit here and watch a crazy storm. But a hurricane is coming, possibly more towards the end of the week, so I've never been in a hurricane in the Caribbean, so we shall see. Can't be any worse than the blizzards we survived. What was that now?
Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
Yeah, now you can't see over there. I think the lightning stopped for now. It's just pouring out still.
Yeah, the sun went fast that way.
It's just pouring and pouring. Oh, we just grabbed so much groceries yesterday and the day before. We have enough. LOL.
There's a kid running. Point down. Can we say bye? Bye.
Really? Yeah, it totally died down. But still looks pretty crazy.